So at this point, I would like to spend a few minutes and talk about the process that's involved. We will cover the process in great detail in subsequent videos, but in this segment here, I would like to give you a brief summary of what it is that we do. We start with thermoforming grade plastic sheet stock that is readily available in a variety of colors, such as here, and a variety of textures and clear grades, and that may include frosted materials, tinted materials. We can print on these materials front or back, and we use high-speed CNC routers to cut the flat patterns that then later become the enclosure. So once the flat patterns are cut, they usually get moved on to the digital printer and then to the CNC thermal line bending process, where we shape the parts so that they're ready for assembly. In the assembly process then, we use solvents, and that is the beauty of using some of these thermoforming grades here. Some of them can be very nicely solvent welded. A vast majority of our product is made of high impact ABS, which has good all-purpose qualities in that it is highly impact resistant. We order it with a light texture that hides scratches and yet is smooth enough to give you clean, crisp printing. This ABS material also has the advantage that it can be very nicely solvent welded. And solvent welding means we don't use any adhesives in our assembly process. Solvent welding means that the solvent softens the material fuses, and as the solvent dissipates, you regain the strength of the original material. So it truly is a weld. There is no, a lot of our customers ask us whether we glue. That is not the case here. So then we snap the enclosures together. We may even add components provided by our customers and ship to the customer specifications, typically in as little as 2 weeks, and production runs may be anywhere between 50 or 250 at a time. That would be typical, but it may be as high as 500 or 1,000 pieces at a given time. Quick turnaround, in just-in-time delivery, small releases is our specialty, and we pride ourselves on being very flexible when meeting our customers' delivery schedules.